Today's market report is brought to you by RMA Network Associate member Blackbird Accountants.
G'day everyone, just Jack Harper here from Allan Gray Co based out of Carcoar, just with the June store sale market report for CTLX. Approximately 6,500 cattle yarded here today at CTLX, probably up on the yardings for this time of year. The steers today, the 350 kilo plus steers, there was a few heavier types about, and they sort of made anywhere from $13.50 to $14.70, and they averaged around sort of $3.60 to $3.80. The biggest run of calves today was probably from $250 to 350 kilos, and they made anywhere from $1,000 to $1,250 to float about that $4 a kilo mark. A few lighter calves as well today, anything under 250 kilos, from about $700 to just shy of $1,000, to average about $4.10 to $4.20. Into the heifers today, some good runs of heifers yarded here today at CTLX. 300 to 350 kilos from about $1,000 to $1,140. 2 to 300 kilos from about $700 to $950, to average about $3 to $3.15. And anything under 200 kilos to make about $600. Cows and calves and PDIC still to be sold here at CTLX today. Could be a long afternoon for us. So it's been Jack Harper from Allan Gray Co in Carcoar.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?